Hey there guys, welcome back to the shop. Recently we've gotten a large shipment of new old stock, new old replacement stock, all sorts of stock. And this generator was amongst the things there. And John wanted me to check it out, see if it's been rebuilt, see what sort of condition it's in, and see where we need to go with it. So we're going to take it apart, we're going to inspect it, see what it needs, if anything, and if it just needs to be lubricated and put back together, that's what we're going to do. So we'll start here by taking the pulley off the front. I think this unit's a rebuild. I don't think it's new. The fan has a little cutout to align with the key. Keep in mind as we take it apart, this screws on in this position, the top, and the oilers are facing the same side. It looks like it's seen some use. The brushes are definitely worn in a little bit. Not too bad. Springs are good. No ridges, so the brushes have been making good contact. Bearing feels tight. These brushes have a lot of life left in them. I think we can safely say that this is a good, slightly used unit. I will have to spin it up and check its output, but I'm going to lubricate it all up, put it back together. See, there's a pin here that indexes, so you can't put it together incorrectly. Pulling the brush holder back. And slipping the brush into place. Okay, so I got the brushes in there like they should be. Proper position. Now these here have an oiler on it, so we can also an indexing pin. Once you get it all back together, we'll put a few drops of oil in there. This off so we can inspect the back, make sure there's nothing, no grease or anything hung up on it, make it a little bit out of balance. There we go. We got this generator. Just need to do an electrical check on it. And mechanically it's in good order. Looks like it's got very little use on it. Maybe only been run on a testing machine. I looked at the brushes again real close. So that would the basic inspection of a part that's claimed to be new old stock or rebuilt. Gotta get in there and verify for yourself that it really is in the condition that it was claimed. So.
At Caddy Daddy Presents, it's all about giving back. Please enjoy the video of the Boys and Girls Clubs of St. Helena and Calistoga. You can donate by clicking the link in the video description.